Hello. Today, Leah, Ines, and I are going to present the Da Vinci Code and do an analysis on the pictures and symbols.
Introduction. The Da Vinci Code is a 2006 American mystery thriller film based on Dan Brown's 2003 best-selling novel of the same name. In the film, Robert Langdon, a professor of religious symbology from Harvard University, is the prime suspect in the grisly and unusual murder of Louvre curator Jacques Saunière. On the body, the police find a disconcerting cipher and start an investigation. However, the suspect escapes with a police cryptologist and they begin a quest for the legendary Holy Grail, told as explicitly encoded in Leonardo da Vinci's wall painting, The Last Supper. Throughout the movie, the protagonists sneak around the Louvre, finding clues in all of Leonardo da Vinci's works. The Vitruvian Man. The Vitruvian Man is a drawing made by Leonardo da Vinci in about 1490. Around the drawing are notes based on the work of the architect Vitruvius. The drawing is done in pen and ink on paper. It is of a male figure standing in two positions that are superimposed. The figure's arms and legs are drawn in two different positions, while the rest of the body stays in one position. It is drawn standing inside both a circle and a square. The drawing is based on the ideal proportions of a man's body and how this relates to geometry described by the ancient Roman architect Vitruvius in Book 3 of his treatise De Architectura. Da Vinci's drawing is traditionally named in honor of the architect.
The Louvre Museum is located in Paris, France, more precisely on the right bank of the Seine, and was established in 1793, so 228 years ago. It is nowadays the world's largest art museum and historic site the world has ever met, best known for being the home of the artwork, the Mona Lisa. It was the most visited art museum in 2020 with approximately 2.7 million visitors. Also called Virgin of the Rocks, done by Leonardo da Vinci in 1495 and finished in 1508. This artwork is said to be unfinished. It was only a bonus painting according to the artist. The painting hangs in the National Gallery in London, and the prime version hangs in the Louvre Museum in Paris. In the center, we can see two ladies, which are Mary with her child Jesus on her left, and Uriel, an angel, with John the Baptist on her right. Mary's body language says a lot. The way she is grabbing John the Baptist as if she's directing him to Jesus. If we look closely, it looks like Jesus is praying for him. Moreover, looks like Jesus' guardian angel. In the foreground, we can see water and flowers, which could represent the purity of Mary and Jesus. Sfumato is the technique that Leonardo da Vinci used for the background. It softens the transition between colors so that the human eye focuses on the subject, not the background.
How are these sites related to the movie plot? A life-size replica of the Vitruvian Man is seen in the trailer. In fact, it is considered a universal code for greater success, to help improve our communication, love, wealth, health, and spiritual growth.
As seen in the trailer, the movie takes place in Paris, mostly in the Louvre Museum, where the protagonist and other characters are going to try to solve a mystery, the Da Vinci Code.
Madonna of the Rocks. We can see that in the trailer, every artwork made by Leonardo da Vinci has a code, which will remain very mysterious. In fact, every single detail of this masterpiece got me interested in art. I was mesmerized by the technique, the decor, the contrast, and way more.